Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So much salt you're not gonna believe. Actually there was a lot more. I cleaned up. I decided I haven't cleaned this piece, and this is right under the floor, under the carpet on the driver's side. Yep, you're looking at right. This is, I even took the seat out of the way so I can clean all this salt. You're probably thinking, where the salt is coming from? Well, the salt is because the factory floor mat wasn't doing its job. It was seeping through, and I cleaned it. See that yellow? That's still the edge where all the salt was. Right there, as you can see, some still here on the edge. You can see how the salt is penetrated. That's how much salt there was actually. See the white, the salt. See, there is less, there is more. Yeah, it's still there. So this piece was actually flipped upside down, and I removed. You see the white chunks? Well, that's still the salt they haven't cleaned up yet. Yeah, this is how much salt was under the factory carpet. I even removed the plug so I can clean everything up very well. So this is the reason why you want to use aftermarket. So this piece was sitting like that. You can see right there. See how much salt is still. There is so much salt, and it's all because factory floor mat wasn't doing its job, and it's constantly was overflowing to the sides, and it's seeping through the factory floor, factory carpet, and where all end up? Will end up underneath the carpet. Good thing nothing is rusted. There is no signs of rust, but everything must be cleaned now to prevent it from rusting. So drop me a comment, let me know what you think, if you ever seen anything like that or experience. Thanks. Bye.